Disclaimer. This video is based on author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feeling. All the characters used in the story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Ida's personal life. So don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video series. Well, it's our King Jungkook's FF. Remember, all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So don't take it to your kidneys and heart. And have a good time. Do you love me? You asked. Meanwhile, your eyes are busy in scanning his face. He slugged down his saliva and you don't know what to say. You. Answer me. Don't stand dumb. You shouted loudly because you are losing your patience because of him. And he tremblingly spoke to you, unaware of what is going to happen next. Jungkook. Yes, I love you, he said, which made a sarcastic chuckle left from your mouth, which made him look at you. You. I got it. Why you did not save your brother? If he will die, then you will marry me and you thought that I will move on from him. And I will love you, right? You said, which made him shocked, because he did not thought that you will think about him in this way. Jungkook, I did not thought that you would see me this much cheap. I sacrificed my love for him and still you call me selfish? I don't know what wrong did I done that your hate for me has no limits. I wanted to save him, but it was not in my hands, he said, and you are blind by anger that you're not carrying his tears or sadness. You know what? The one who make mistakes always try to cover it up. But we already know why you did not give blood to him. So how much you try to close it up, that I'm going to hate you more and more by your mistakes. You were my close friend, Jungkook. I did not expect this from you. You said, and you started crying loudly. You sat on the bed and he kneeled down in front of you. Then he took your hands. Jungkook, please, don't cry. I'm sorry, please. You, don't touch me, you said while pushing his hands, but he kept his pain aside. Jungkook, what can I do to make you stop you crying? You, just don't show me your face and go away from my life. Will you do that? No, right? You said, which made his head hum low. Then he left the room without saying anything. Time skips. Jungkook. He mumbled while looking at his hungry. Jungkook. I did not kill you, Hung. I have cancer and I can't give you blood to you. Even you hate me, but I care for you. He let out of his tears which are cascading from his eyes. His heart is agony in pain. Flashback. 10 years Jungkook is walking behind his Hung. Jungkook, Hung, please play with me. No one will play with me, he said while catching his wrist, but he pushed Jungkook on the ground, which made stone hit on his cheek and blood is flowing from his cheek. Poor one is crying from the pain, but Jay did not care. Jeon, just why you always follow me? Because of you, Oma and Appa doesn't love me. I hate you. The 2-year-old shouted, which made Jungkook flinch, and he went to home. Jungkook's mother is treating Jungkook, and she saw Jeon coming inside. Mrs. Jeon, Jay, where were you? And see, he's hurt. Jungkook, Oma Hung is busy studying. I was playing, then I fell down, he said, which made Jeon roll his eyes. Jungkook did not tell anyone that how Jeon is abusive towards Jungkook. Little Jungkook loved his Hung so much, so he did not say anything to his Oma or Appa. He is sensitive kid and doesn't hurt anyone, which makes him more special. He keeps himself aside and takes care of loved ones. End of flashback. Jungle, you even beat me with belt when I'm talking with Ryan. I know you hate me, but I never hate you because I know nothing that Amma and Uppa loves me more than you. But not you are special to them. I don't know what you said to Ryan and she's not ready to listen my words. He said and he sat beside the throne. Jungle, no one is there to understand me. I'm hiding myself from everyone that no one should be hurt because of me. I don't know when I will die, but I want to make special memories at everyone. Is it very hard to do? He's blabbering whatever is inside his heart. Jungle, Ryan loves you so much. I know you also love her so much. Don't worry, I'm not going to snatch her because you're always yours. I'm just an husband to her whom she hates most. But you are alive, love, everything. I want to be close to her, but she's hurting me with her words. I want to go far away from her, but I'm scared that she will again cry for you. He mumbled and is talking as if his brother is listening to him. Jungle, there is no single time you've talked with me lovingly, but I'm really thankful that I got Hobie and then Chimilang in my life. They care me like my own brother, and I don't know when will Ryan accept. I will try my best. If not, I will move far away from her because it is best for her. He said, and he got up from the ground. Then he dusted his clothes. Jungle, bye, hon. I miss you. He mumbled, and he left the place.
मुस्कुराता ये चेहरा देता है जो जाने छुपाता क्या दिल का समंदर, कोई रात का तारा करता हो जाला, वैसे ही रोशन करे वो शहर। चोट लगी है उसे फिर क्यों महसूस मुझे हो रहा, दिल तो बता दे क्या है इरादा तेरा। जैसे बारिश कर दे कर या मरहम दर्द पर, कोई मुझको यूं मिला है जैसे बन जाने को घर।
मनवा लागे ओ मनवा लागे लागे सावरे लागे सावरे तेरा हो दिया कगिया कगिया कगी नवरे। मनवा लागे ओ मनवा लागे लागे सावरे लागे सावरे तेरा मैंने दिया कगिया कगिया कगी नवरे। मुसाफिर
मेरे जिक्र का जुबां पे स्वाद रखना। अच्छा चलता हूँ धुआं में याद रखना। मेरे जिक्र का जुबां पे स्वाद रखना। दिल के संदूकों में मेरे अच्छे काम रखना। चिट्ठी तारों में भी मेरा तू सलाम रखना। अंधेरा तेरा मैंने ले लिया, मेरा उजला सितारा तेरे नाम किया। चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या बेलिया। तो पिया मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या बेलिया। तो पिया कैसी तेरी खुद गर्जी, ना धूप चुने ना छाँव। कैसी तेरी खुद गर्जी, किसी ठौर टिके ना पाँव। बन लिया अपना पैगंबर, कर लिया तू सात समंदर। फिर भी सूखा मन के अंदर क्यों रह गया। रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा मान जा। आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ। चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या बेलिया। ओ पिया मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या बेलिया। ओ पिया महफिल में तेरी हम न रहे जो, गम तो नहीं है, गम तो नहीं है। किससे हमारे नजदीकियों के कम तो नहीं है, कम तो नहीं है। कितनी दफा सुबह को मेरी तेरे आंगन में बैठे मैंने शाम किया। चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या बेलिया। ओ पिया मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या बेलिया।
सारे संसार का प्यार मैंने तुझी में पाया। तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए। तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए। ना हो तू उदास तेरे पास पास मैं रहूंगा जिंदगी भर। ना हो तू उदास तेरे पास पास मैं रहूंगा जिंदगी भर। सारे संसार का प्यार मैंने तुझे में पाया। तू मिले